Alright, in this video we will showcase the Arthur algorithm from Asia Tech Education. Next we will explain the Arthur motion.
First is the front chamber pressure adjustment, which is mainly to address hydraulic shutdown. Then there is a slow uniform acceleration movement, and the SVR device is now already in the return stroke. Okay, let's take a look at the resulting curve. First, let's look at the accuracy of the slow uniform acceleration. Next is the overshoot and steady state section of the high-speed phase. Finally, there are 3 stages of pressure boosting. After watching this video, what do you think of our press control? Feel free to leave your comments below.